Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PS4 controller kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any gamer. Over time, wear and tear can take a toll on your controller, leading to issues like stick drift, unresponsive buttons, or even complete failure. But before you rush out to buy a new one, have you considered a repair kit? Today, we're diving into a fantastic kit that can breathe new life into your trusty PS4 controller. Number 5. 2XJDS055 PS4 Controller Charging Port. Is your PS4 controller not charging? This replacement charging port is the solution. It's designed to fix charging issues, ensuring you can keep gaming. This JDS055 charging port is a direct replacement for your DualShock 4 controller. It's compatible with the latest additions, including some PS4 Pro and Slim models. The package includes 2 charging port socket boards, flex cables, and a screwdriver. While professional installation is recommended, the included tools make the process easier. Before you buy, make sure to check your controller's model. There are different versions, so compare your existing port with the pictures provided to ensure a perfect fit. You'll receive 2 micro USB charging port sockets, 2 12-pin flex ribbon cables, and a free precision screwdriver. Everything you need to get your controller charging again is included. What we like. This charging port replacement kit is perfect if your PS4 controller isn't charging properly. It's compatible with various models, so you can find the right fit. If you're experiencing charging issues, this kit provides a convenient solution to get your controller back up and running. What people say. You can install this in 3 to 5 minutes, extremely simple, and it works perfect. Worked perfectly on the first try. It comes with 2 new boards, 2 cables and a screwdriver. I like the new boards because they have latches for the ribbon cables rather than just pulling out or pushing in. Charge lights acted a little weird when I first tested it, but it does in fact work. It charges the controller and lets you use it as a wired controller, the reason I needed a replacement. It fit inside the controller just like the original one. Number 4. PS4 Controller 3D Joystick Replacement Kit. Is your PS4 controller joystick drifting or unresponsive? This replacement kit is designed to bring it back to life. It's a great solution for damaged or malfunctioning analog sensor modules. The kit includes 4 analog joysticks, mushroom caps, fluorescent button caps, silicone rings, and a 10K ohm potentiometer sensor. You'll also find various tools to assist with the repair. Please note that moderate soldering is required for installation. Professional installation is highly recommended. Instructions and tools are not included, so make sure you are prepared before starting. When removing screws, place the screwdriver perpendicular and apply force. Tighten the screws gently at first, then firmly to secure them. This will help prevent damage during the process. Before installing the new potentiometer, test its resistance. If there's no resistance, try flipping the white part. If it still doesn't work, the potentiometer might be damaged, and you should contact us for support. This kit is a good replacement for your damaged or non-working 3D joystick axis analog sensor module platform, Sony PlayStation 4. The package includes all the necessary components for a successful repair. What we like. If your analog sticks are drifting or unresponsive, this kit offers a comprehensive solution. It includes everything you need for a full repair. If you enjoy DIY projects and want to restore your controller's functionality, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to fix your controller. The tools are great. The controller works perfectly after the repair. Number 3. Replacement rubber pad for PS4 controller. Is your PS4 controller's buttons not responding? This replacement rubber pad can fix that. It's designed to bring your controller back to life. This replacement part is compatible with the old PS4 controllers. It fits JSD001 JDM001 and JSD011 JDM011 models. Please note it is not for PS4 Pro or Slim. Made from high-quality silicone rubber, this pad is a perfect replacement for damaged or broken parts. It ensures your buttons respond correctly. The soft buttons act as conductive pads. They are placed under the main buttons to connect with the main board. Replacing them is straightforward. The package includes 4 sets of replacement rubber conductive pads. Get yours today and enjoy your gaming experience again. What we like. This kit is designed to replace worn-out conductive pads in your older PS4 controller. It's a simple fix to restore button responsiveness. If you have an older PS4 and are experiencing button issues, this is a cost-effective way to bring it back to its original condition. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary tools. The replacement parts fit perfectly. The controller feels like new after the replacement. Number 2. eXtremeRate PS4 Controller Buttons, Chameleon Purple Blue. Are you looking to customize your PS4 controller? These buttons are designed to perfectly fit. They are precision cut to work just like the original buttons. This set is compatible with PS4 Slim and Pro controllers. Check if your controller model starts with CUH-ZCT2. If the light bar is on the edge of the touchpad, it fits. These replacement buttons are custom designed. They will fit your controller perfectly. You can expect them to function exactly like the original buttons. Installation requires taking apart the controller. It's recommended for those handy with controller modifications. You can find an installation video guide online. The buttons have a chameleon glossy color. It changes from red to purple to blue depending on the viewing angle. It gives your controller a unique look. The package includes a full set of buttons and tools. It includes the direction pad, face buttons, triggers, and more. Thumbsticks and other parts are not included. What we like. This set allows you to customize the look of your controller with a unique chameleon color. It's designed to fit perfectly and function like the original buttons. If you like to personalize your gaming setup and want a controller that stands out, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These buttons and triggers are a quality product, just pay close attention to compatibility guidelines. They look great. I worried about fingers sliding or the push feeling different, but they use the same rubber backing that DualShock uses. The D-pad, face buttons, shoulders, and triggers are easy to install and look amazing. Number 1. ElecGear 8X ALPS 2.1K Potentiometer for PS5 PS4. This is an OEM trim pot resistor made by ALPS, designed for ALPS analog joysticks. It's compatible with PS5 DualSense and some PS4 DualShock 4 wireless controllers. This component ensures precise control. ALPS sensors come in different resistance values, so make sure this 2.1K ohm version is right for you. Don't rely on color, check the value. This is not compatible with the Fu Orange version. Joystick drift is a common issue, even with new controllers. This product includes a PCB to fix one-directional drifting. You can easily adjust the variable resistor to eliminate the problem. If your controller has issues like creeping, stuttering, or dead zones, this potentiometer is the solution. Replacing this 3-pin component is much easier than replacing the entire joystick. Use pliers to remove the old sensor. Try replacing the wiper first. Then, desolder the old sensor and solder the new one in. Remember to calibrate the control sticks in your settings after the replacement. What we like. This kit addresses joystick drift issues with a replacement potentiometer and a drift fix PCB. It's designed for easy soldering and precise calibration. If you're experiencing drift problems and want to restore your controller's accuracy, this kit provides a reliable solution. What people say. The kit had everything needed to replace the parts. The tools were great and made the job easy. The controller works like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.